Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Havana. As you know, the original song is played with a piano, but I'm going to show you how to play on the guitar and on a way that it sounds as close as possible to the original one. To do that, we're going to play in standard tuning, but we're going to use a capo on the second fret. In the tutorial I'm going to show it without the capo, so if you don't have a capo at home, you're able to play with me. But remember that if you want to play to the original song, you need a capo. So take your guitar and let's begin. I remind you that to play to the original key, you're going to need a capo on the second fret, but I'm going to show you how to play it without the capo. So you don't have a capo at home, can you follow the video? We are going to start with a chord E minor. And with the right hand, we play with the thumb the 6th string. And then we take index, middle and ring finger, and we play 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. And then we come back to the 6th string. And it sounds like this. Okay? Then we change to a C major. And the thumb moves to the 5th string. And this time we play 2 times. So when I come from the E minor, okay, E minor, C. After those 2 times on the 5th string with the thumb, on the C chord, we play again with the same fingers as before, index on the 4th string, middle on the 3rd string, and ring finger on the 2nd string. And we play all 3 at the same time. And that's everything we play on the C. So the E minor and the C together sounds like this. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and now we come to the part that I think it's more difficult, because we come to a B7, and normally we play like this. But to imitate the melody on the piano, I'm going to do like this. When I'm on the C, I move the ring finger, 3rd finger, to the 2nd fret, and then I put the middle finger on the 1st fret, 4th string, and the pinky finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. And then we have the B7. Okay? And this time we play thumb on the 5th string, and then index on the 4th string, and middle finger on the 3rd, like this. Okay? That's the first part of the B7. So from the beginning, sounds like this. One more time. Okay, you get it? And then we come back with the index finger to the 4th string. And now comes the difficult thing. with the index finger on the left hand, we're going to put it on the first fret, second string. That's pretty tricky for the hand. And on the right hand, we play ring finger, second string, middle finger, third string at the same time. Okay, and you see that line between the 1 and 0, that's a pull off. So we take away the first finger, making the second string sound. Like this. That's the melody that we have on the piano, on the original song. So the B7 sounds like this. Okay. So when we put together E minor, C and B7, the first and second bar sounds like this. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. That's the first and second bar. When we come to the third and fourth bar, it's exactly the same. Only that when we come to the B7, we don't do that pull off. We just stay there. Okay, so we skip that pull off. So I play you the third and fourth bar. Okay, one more time. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. Now I show you first, second, third, and fourth bars, and there we have the whole riff. And they play it again and again. Let's try together. We can play the whole riff 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. And that was Havana. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos. And if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or you can visit my website where you're going to find another tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching. Bye.